Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo series, including the Control, Power, and Halo Pro pickleball paddles, is designed to provide players with exceptional spin, power, and consistency. These paddles feature a premium carbon fiber surface known as the raw carbon fiber face, which enhances spin potential while maintaining control over shots. This design allows for precise ball placement and powerful drives, catering to a wide range of playing styles. At the core of these paddles is the RevCore Power Polymer Core, which balances power and control. This core is engineered to provide consistent responsiveness and a solid feel on impact, allowing players to confidently execute various shots, from powerful smashes to soft dinks. The SLK Halo Control paddle focuses on maximizing precision and finesse, making it ideal for players who prioritize accuracy and ball control. Meanwhile, the SLK Halo Power paddle emphasizes power and speed, catering to aggressive players looking to dominate the court. The Halo Pro version combines the best of both worlds, offering a versatile playing experience suitable for advanced players seeking top-tier performance. Ergonomically designed grips enhance comfort and stability, reducing hand fatigue during intense matches. The paddles are also lightweight, promoting quick reflexes and agile maneuverability. Overall, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo series is crafted for serious players seeking high-performance paddles with advanced spin control, consistent power, and premium build quality. Whether you prioritize precision, power, or a balanced playstyle, the Halo series offers tailored options to enhance your pickleball game. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set is designed for both men and women, offering a great balance of performance, durability, and comfort for players of all skill levels. This set typically includes multiple paddles and balls, making it perfect for recreational games or competitive matches. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, which provides a good mix of power and control, allowing players to execute accurate shots and powerful smashes. The lightweight design enhances maneuverability, helping players react quickly at the net. The core is often made of a polymer honeycomb material, which ensures durability while maintaining a responsive feel. Ergonomically designed grips offer a comfortable and secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during long games. The grips are also cushioned and sweat-absorbent, improving control and comfort. Additionally, the paddles are built to be quiet, making them suitable for noise-sensitive environments. This set is USAPA approved, meaning the paddles meet the standards for official tournament play, ensuring quality and reliability. The set is versatile, suitable for beginners learning the game and experienced players looking to improve their skills. Overall, the fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set is a solid choice for anyone seeking a durable, high-performance, and comfortable pickleball paddle set. Its balance of power, control, and comfort makes it ideal for players of all levels. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for players of all skill levels, offering 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a convenient carrying bag. This bundle is ideal for beginners and recreational players looking for a high-quality, ready-to-play kit. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which enhances power and control while maintaining a lightweight feel for easy maneuverability. The graphite surface also provides a responsive touch, allowing for accurate shots and effective spin. This makes the paddles suitable for a variety of playstyles, whether you prefer strategic placement or powerful drives. At the core of the paddles is the polymer RevCore, which balances power and control while providing consistent performance and a solid feel on contact. This core is known for its durability and quiet play, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments. The ergonomic grip is designed for comfort and stability, reducing hand fatigue during extended play. It offers a secure, non-slip hold, ensuring confidence and precision in every shot. This bundle also includes 3 high-quality pickleball balls designed for consistent bounce and durability, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. The carrying bag is compact and functional, allowing for easy transportation and storage of the paddles and balls. Designed in the USA, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle combines quality, performance, and convenience. It's an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate players seeking a reliable and versatile set to enhance their pickleball experience. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. It features a graphite carbon fiber face, which provides excellent ball control and responsiveness. The graphite surface enhances shot precision while maintaining lightweight maneuverability, making it suitable for various playstyles, from strategic dinks to powerful drives. The paddle's core is made of a Nomex honeycomb material, known for its durability and consistent performance. This core delivers a solid feel and quick reaction time, giving players the confidence to make fast, accurate shots at the net. The combination of the graphite face and Nomex core results in a balanced paddle that offers power without sacrificing control. A standout feature of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, designed to reduce hand fatigue and provide a secure, non-slip hold. The grip enhances comfort and stability, allowing for better control and precision during intense rallies. The paddle's wide-body shape increases the sweet spot, maximizing power and forgiveness on off-center hits. This makes the Mod Z5 an excellent choice for players of all skill levels, including beginners looking for a forgiving paddle and advanced players seeking precision in spin. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a versatile, high-performance paddle that balances power, control, and comfort. Its lightweight graphite face, durable Nomex core, and cushion grip make it an ideal option for players looking to enhance their pickleball game. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed to provide a great balance of performance, durability, and value, making them ideal for recreational and intermediate players. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which offers a solid mix of power and control. The fiberglass surface enhances ball spin and shot precision while maintaining a lightweight feel for better maneuverability. The core of the paddle is made from honeycomb polypropylene, known for its durability, responsiveness, and ability to dampen vibrations. This material provides a consistent, solid feel on every shot, ensuring a reliable and controlled performance. The honeycomb core also helps in creating a quiet and comfortable playing experience, making these paddles suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. The paddles are designed with an ergonomic grip that offers comfort and stability during extended games. The grip is cushioned to reduce hand fatigue, providing a secure and non-slip hold for better control. The paddle's lightweight nature ensures quick reaction times and enhances the player's agility on the court. Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are a great option for players looking for an affordable yet high-quality paddle set. The combination of reinforced fiberglass and a honeycomb polypropylene core results in a durable, responsive, and comfortable paddle, offering a good balance between power and precision. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your game, these paddles provide the reliability and performance needed to enhance your pickleball experience.